You searched how to buy shares of Medalist Diversified REIT Inc., so here's a clear, practical walkthrough. Medalist Diversified REIT Inc. is a real estate investment trust listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MDRR, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before buying. Open the platform search and type the ticker MDRR to locate the company. Make sure you select the listing that matches Medalist Diversified REIT Inc. on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart for context. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. To invest, click the Buy button, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and then confirm. If the market is closed, the order may pend until trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio, and the link to eToro is available in the description below.